Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enter a Quick Assist security code on Windows 11. First, click on the Start button. In the search box, type Quick Assist. Now click on Quick Assist to open the application. When Quick Assist opens, you may see different options depending on your Windows version. To receive remote assistance, you normally need a security code from the trusted person who is providing the assistance. The helper can generate a security code from their Quick Assist session and share that code with you. When Quick Assist provides a place to enter the code, enter the security code carefully and continue with the instructions shown on the screen. In some versions, Quick Assist may first ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. As you can see, the Microsoft sign-in page may include options such as Create One and Can't Access Your Account. These are standard Microsoft account options. For this demonstration, I'm not going to create a new account, recover an account, or enter any personal information. I'm only showing you the sign-in screen and explaining what these options are for. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can sign in when required and then continue with the Quick Assist instructions. After the correct security code is entered, Quick Assist can continue with the connection process. You may then see a confirmation or permission screen before the remote assistance session begins. Always make sure the security code comes from someone you know and trust. Never enter a code provided by an unknown person. For this tutorial, I'm not using a real security code or connecting to another computer. This is only a demonstration of the process. So the basic steps are: open Quick Assist, get the security code from a trusted helper, enter the code when prompted, and follow the instructions on the screen. And that's how you can enter a Quick Assist security code. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.